Next concept is that state of a system and state variables. State of a system. A system is said to be in a particular state when all its measurable properties have fixed values. Such a state of a system is often referred to as the thermodynamic state of a system. That means if you consider a system, we should be able to define that system by means of certain measurable quantities or measurable properties. The common measurable properties of a system are temperature, pressure, volume, concentration, etc. When the values of such properties are related to the system under consideration are fixed, the system is said to exist in a particular thermodynamic state. For example, the state of a system containing a liquid can be specified by specifying the temperature and volume. That means in order to define a system, we must know certain measurable properties of that system like pressure, volume, temperature, concentration, etc. Now, state variables or state functions. The existence of a system can be defined in terms of certain factors, that is called measurable properties, such as pressure, temperature, volume, etc. A particular state of a system always depends upon one or more such factors. In order to define a system, we must know at least one or two measurable properties. Any change in these factors may change the state of the system. If you change these measurable properties, the system will change. Therefore, it is necessary to specify certain factors in order to completely define a particular state of a system. The factors which are necessary to be specified in order to define a particular state of a system are called state variables. Define what is mean by that is the minimum number of properties in order to define a system is known as state variables. Definition: what is mean by state variables or state function? For example, the physical state of water changes with the change in temperature and pressure. At 1 atmospheric pressure, water is solid below 273 Kelvin, liquid between 273 to 373 Kelvin, and a gas above 373. That is the pressure temperature relationship in order to define water in the different forms of state. Therefore, that minimum, what are the properties to be mentioned in order to define a system is known as state function or state variables. Many properties of water such as energy, viscosity, density, surface tension, etc. change with the change in temperature and pressure. Therefore, in order to specify a particular state of a system having water, it is necessary to specify its temperature and pressure. If the pressure and temperature of water is changed, automatically the system will change. Sometimes it may be changed from the solid and then to liquid, then to vapor. Therefore, it is compulsory that you must have at least minimum one or two properties to be mentioned in order to specify the system. Hence, the temperature and pressure can be regarded as the state variables or state functions of the system under consideration. Therefore, if you are considering water as a system, you must need the state variables, pressure and temperature. That while defining a particular state of a system, it is not necessary to specify the values of all the state variables. That means if a system is having about 3 or 4 variables, state variables, you need only one to specify one or two, and the other will be automatically fixed. You don't have to specify it, but that variables will be automatically fixed. For example, in fact, for a particular system, only a certain minimum number of state variables is sufficient to define its state. This is because on fixing the values of certain minimum number of state variables, the values of other state variables get automatically fixed. For example, for the gaseous state, the three state variable pressure, volume, temperature are sufficient to specified. Once they are specified, other variables such as number of moles, density are all automatically fixed. In short, if there is a system possesses 4 or 5 state variables, in order to define a system, 1 or 2 is more than enough. And not only that, when you are fixing 1 or 2, the other balance 3 or 4 variables which is depending on the system will automatically fixed. State variables or state functions possess a remarkable property. The change in value of the state function depends only upon the initial state and final state. This is another property. The state variables only depend on the initial and the final state of the system and is independent upon the manner by which the change has been carried out. When the value of a state function is changed, the state of the system also changes. That means when the state variables are changed, the system will change. In other words, the change in the state of the system is accompanied by the change in the value of the state function or state variable. That means both are really connected. If the state variables changes, the system will change. When the system changes, the state variables will change. This change in the value of the state function does not depend on how the change has been carried out. For example, if you consider, if we heat a sample of water from 298 Kelvin to 333 Kelvin by any technique, that means either by a electrical heater or by a gas burner, anything, then the change in temperature is always equal to the difference between the initial and the final temperature, no matter how the heating has been done. That means delta T, that is the difference in temperature, will be the temperature difference between the final state and the initial state. For example, 298 Kelvin minus 333 Kelvin, which is equal to 35 Kelvin. Thus, in this case, the temperature is a state function because it depends only on the initial and the final state. In thermodynamics, some common state functions are temperature, pressure, volume, internal energy, enthalpy, entropy, free energy. All these are state functions.